Nobody, and I mean absolutely nobody, wants to ask a stranger for a jump start. And forget about these cables. Nobody wants to help you out when you need a jump start. Nobody's gonna come to your rescue. So ditch these cables and instead grab yourself one of these jump starter. This is going to jump start anything from a small car all the way to a big truck. I'm gonna try this on this older car. Okay, I am already inside the car. So let's try to turn this on. You see, nothing happens. The battery is completely dead. So now let's use this jump starter. Once it's connected, simply press the ready button to jump start the car. All right, as you can see, the ignition switch has already light up, which means we have charge. There it is. And as you can see, it dropped to 76%, but the jump start will help you out, okay? With a 12,000 milliamp hours capacity and 2 USB ports, this jump starter can charge your smartphone, tablets, and other USB devices, making it your all-in-one power source for road trips. As you just saw, the jump starter helped the car to turn on. So if you want to grab yourself one of these jump starters, I'm going to leave the link down below. Go ahead and check them out. They're really nice. Put it in your car and leave it on there until you need it. And use code HIGH2026 to get $15 off your purchase.